last time you saw us, we were out of town in Pine Mountain Club, and we did a lot of reflecting there. And one of the things we talked about is just how our priorities kind of just got messed up, and we reflected a lot and realized that there's so many things that we need to work on in our own space, our own life. Like, we shouldn't, it's so messy back there, sorry. We shouldn't be going out of town and feeling so inspired and so happy and so motivated, but not feeling like that in our own space. Long story short, we wanted to spruce up our place a little bit because there's just some stuff, like, I'll show you. This will be like a 2 or 3 part video or series because we're gonna like spruce up the whole apartment because we just kind of let it go to bad. But I wasn't really planning when I went to IKEA to get all the things that I got. The plan when we went to IKEA was to check in on a new couch, and somehow my butt walked out of IKEA with the receipt this long with a price of $409. I should not crumple this up because I'm hoping that some of this I won't like and I want to return, because $409? This is ridiculous. When it comes to the couch, make sure to stay till the very end because I do need your help, because now we might switch out our couch. We have 2 that we're deciding on. It's a very long story. I'll tell you at the end. And I'm actually gonna let you guys help me pick which couch we should buy because I am very torn. It's a very confusing, complicated situation. I'm burping, I'm sorry. So stay till the end, okay. Let's start with this, okay. When we went to IKEA, we were going there for pillows because at the cabin we stayed at, I had the best night's sleep, and the pillows were just, they were grand. And I looked and they had been 2 pillows from IKEA. They were the Jord Rock Queen Grand Deluxe pillows, or whatever size bed you have. Okay, they're just so, okay, this doesn't look fluffy, but I promise you it's fluffy. All the nice IKEA pillows I started seeing were like $75, and I was like, oh no. Please don't tell me she gave us, like, let us lie on $75 pillows, because I'm not gonna buy those. I had like $3 Walmart pillows. But these were $20, which to me is a splurge on a pillow, but it was a splurge I was willing to make because they were very comfortable. And we got 2 of those. Next, I'm gonna go in like a non-random order. We did get 2 like pots or pan things. We did get 2 pan things. This is the Grilla. You know, it's a pan, but it's got the mini grill thing, and Noah loves when things have grill marks on them, so he was like, I need it. So we got it. And then we got another pan. This is the Cavalcade. I act like I know how to say these. Just because we need a new pan. Ours always gets so gross, so we need one that like we're gonna make our nicer pan and hope that we can keep it nice. Got a comforter. Actually, this is a duvet, and we also got the duvet cover somewhere, but this is the Hans bar. This might have been a little bit of a splurge. They also had this at the comforter, and again, at the cabin, and again, I had such a good night's sleep. I was like, you know, I'm gonna get it. Let's find out. You're telling me this is how much? That's not right. This was only $30. You probably thought I was shocked that it was gonna be like expensive. This was $30. This comforter was $30. Okay. So it's just a plain duvet, but it was really soft, really fluffy like this. And we have just a really old duvet without a cover on it that we've had since Ohio. Noah's mom gave it to us, and then we just kept it forever and never got our own. So this is what we have, and I'll show you whenever it's on the bed. Like I said, there will be a part 2 when I put everything away. Did also get 2 throw pillows. We're gonna be adding some pops of green into our bedroom. We're gonna see how it looks because right now I have an orange rug, so it might look bad. But I saw a photo online. Let me just see. These are the Odd Run throw pillows. So we got the like foresty deep green one, and also this one that will go on our couch whenever we get a new couch. I did get 1 little glass. I thought this was like a pretty little wine glass, and I drink wine every now and then, and I just wanted something fancy, okay? All I have is a $2 Target wine glass, and this was also like, I think $2.99 or something. It won't focus on the wine glass. It's a fancy wine glass and it won't let me show it to you. Next, we've got this little green decor set. These are also gonna go upstairs. We've got little cacti, and they're just little glass little ornament things. I don't know if they're like vases or hold anything. I'm pretty sure they're just little trinkets. And those are gonna go on this shelf that we got. What am I doing? Ugh, hold on. This shelf that we got, that sounds broken as hell in there. Does that sound broken to you? Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll find out if it's broken later, but this is the Fajalbo wall shelf. Really pretty wall shelf we saw in the, like, you know, where they have the setups and everything, and we were planning to put that above our bed. We got these light green pillowcases. Got a box set of 3 little mini cacti. If you haven't seen up there, we have a whole wall because our bedroom's like a loft style, and we have like 10 cacti, like little mini ones up there, and they're not doing too well. Most of our plants are not doing too well. Okay, I'll show you in a second and you'll understand, but this is just 3 little mini ones and they look pretty good. I mean, you can obviously tell they're fake close up, but I think for the purpose of them, they'll be fine and they won't die, so that's helpful. I'm definitely starting to realize what kind of plants we can keep alive in our space and what kind of plants we cannot. Our snake plant has done amazing. We have a fiddle leaf upstairs who's doing amazing. I have some big plant behind here that's doing pretty well. We also got this. I'm gonna give you an example of how some of our plants are doing. This is a fake pilea plant. I think that's what they're called, pilea. Nice little fake one. We got a little pot I'll show you, but I wanna show you a real pilea plant. Oh, one of its things just broke off. You know, it just breaks off. When we got him, he was very full and like all large around himself. And now it's like, every day, like at least 4 of these fall off. I threw away like 4 or 5 last night and it's just heartbreaking. And oh, this one is. So that's why we're starting to get some fake plants. I do want real ones. We went from having 0 plants to one day going to a flea market and a few other places, and we brought home in a matter of like 2 or 3 days about 25 plants. And now we're down to like, well, a lot of them are still out, but we're down to like 4, 5 or 6 that are alive and the rest have slowly passed, and so we feel bad about it. You know, we don't feel good about it. I don't need anyone yelling at me, okay? I know. We tried. I also got this cutie little vase here that I picked up. This little bundle, you know, fake little twig things, stick in here like this, so we can fan it out and look really cute, like that. I've always wanted one of these, the big cylinder vases. It's a large vase, and I got smell amazing. This big bundle of sticks. What's it called? Torca. Basically the big bundle of sticks. And then I also got a small bundle of like the white sticks to mix in there. Okay, more plants. We got a fake little succulent plant right here, really cute. Actually, this one looks pretty good. From far back, you almost can't tell he's fake. I wanted to get some of the ones that hang off. You know, we used to have a pretty vine that we bought it and it like hung over. Do you remember that in my old bedroom? He died too. Anyways, we got one of these. This one definitely looks kind of fake, but it's like the underneath doesn't look as bad. This part looks bad, the light part, but the dark leaf looks okay. So I think I just have to go through and like untangle it and then just kind of arrange it so it'll look better. Got a little grass plant, another grass plant. I'm trying to make them not look too fake. And then another grass plant. And then this one I love. We had a plant like this that also no longer is with, actually he's got like 2 little leaves up there, so he's still alive, but he doesn't look like this anymore. So nice little vine plant. Oh, he's pretty, right? I love this one. Hey, but before anyone comes for me, I always have people telling me like, oh my gosh, is that your fiddle leaf? Is it real? And I'm like, yes, it is. And everyone's always like, how do you keep that one alive? So I think if they're big plants and I don't have a lot of them, I can keep them alive. Like, you know, we have 3 thriving big plants. Actually, we have 4 thriving big plants, but just the little ones are harder than the big plants. We got another set of sheets, another bag, the final bag. Another vase. I do love this vase. This one was, I have no idea. I think they're all like $4 to $5, the vases. This vase is for my live plant. My fiddle leaf and the snake plant both have a vase or like a container, but the one behind me that you can't see, what are you called? I want to show you. This plant, he's alive and well, as you can tell. And we're gonna put him in this pot. Not right now, but you know, he will go in this pot. You can't even see it. He'll go in here. Oh, he's gonna look nice. Another plant. I wish I could tell you what these were called, I don't know. And then another one of, oh, we got 2 of these by accident, oops. And then a second vine plant. Where am I gonna put all these? Oh, they're gonna go on the shelf. We're gonna have that shelf, that's fine. And then my final fake plant. This is a nice bigger one. I really like this one. I think it looks pretty good from far back. And I got him a little basket as well. Oh, that's cute with the basket. And then my final items are just 2 more vases. So we got another one of the white little ridged ones and then a plain white pot. I have a lot more plants than pots, so might need to get some more. But the thing is, since I've had so many plants die, I have a lot of leftover pots. So, you know, we can make that work some way. But I am gonna start cleaning out the house today and cleaning up. I haven't decided if I'm gonna film that part because I've only done like 1 cleaning video and you guys were not that into it. So I may film the cleaning part, but if not, I will be filming when I decorate with all this stuff, and that should be up like 2 to 3 days after this one. Now, before we go, I need your help. We had originally ordered the IKEA Ektorp couch, but then it's been 2 months. It was supposed to be delivered 2 weeks ago and they're not answering. And since then they had another couch called the Gronlid. I'm gonna put a picture of it on the screen, called the Gronlid, that is originally way more expensive than the Ektorp, but is marked down to $400 and some dollars. And I think it looks a lot nicer. But again, the Ektorp is known for its comfort. I don't know if the Gronlid is super comfortable. I could go obviously sit on it and find out. Do we just wait on the Ektorp? We've already ordered it, don't bother canceling it and ordering something else? Or do you think the Gronlid is so much nicer that we should cancel the original one and go with the new one? Pretty please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel now that I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. It really helps me out. Subscribe if you are new, notifications turned on. I love you very much. My Instagram's down below and I will talk to you all next time. Bye.